Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up on Viber. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to back up on Viber, first open up your Viber application from your app drawer. Once you do that, tap on the More button at the lower right hand corner. Now, tap on Settings from the profile page. Right under Settings, tap Account. Right at the top on the next page, you should see an option that says Viber Backup. Tap it on, and if you want your photos and videos to be backed up by pressing on this circle over here, the account where your backup information stored will be displayed right here at the bottom. You can also set up auto backup daily, weekly, or monthly, or if you want to back up manually, you can turn it off. And finally, tap on Backup Now at the lower right hand corner. As soon as the backup is complete, you are done, but I strongly recommend you so that you adjust your settings to automatically backup by tapping on Auto Backup and select the time period from the options. That is how you can easily back up on Viber so that your Viber history is safe with you. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.